All right, welcome into the channel, guys. Today we are going to be looking at 3 business ideas that will never fail. So if you're somebody out there and you're thinking about dipping your toe into the waters, maybe starting a new business, doing a side hustle, or just doing some freelancing to create some passive income, but you're a little skeptical about all these opportunities that are available, you don't know exactly where to focus your resources, your time, and your money, then this is a great video for you because we're going to talk about these 3 business ideas, and these will never fail because they have been proven to be successful time and time again. So I'm glad you're able to jump into the channel. I'm your boy Paul, and on this channel we talk about ways that you can improve your life and business by upskilling in today's digital economy. So let's get into the meat of things. If you've been following my channel for some time, then you know that I put up a short video a couple of months ago called How to Make Money Off of Things That People Hate. And so this video is just to kind of elaborate on that a little bit more because the concept is pretty simple. The ways that you can make money is by identifying where there's problems that need to be solved. And problems are often caused by those things and those tasks that people hate to do and they wish that somebody else could do it for us. So that brings us to our first point, and the first business idea that would never fail is that if you could find tasks that people hate and do it for them. Now, there's many ways to look at this, but ideally you want to focus on those tasks that take a little bit of skill to get it done, and then you can learn that skill and do it for other people. So one great example of this, on the simple side of it would be on the mass scale, something like the gig economy, where you have all of these individual gig workers that are looking to do these remedial tasks for people because they don't want to do it. Going shopping, buying food, driving, what have you. You have the gig economy that has all these opportunities for people that are willing to do all these individual tasks for people that don't want to do that. But when you're looking at things like you and I and businesses that we can get involved in on a freelance level or on a side hustle or just kind of a small business, then there's 2 ways to look at it. There's those digital businesses that you can start, things like editing, filming, writing, accounting, social media manager. I mean, how many people hate social media? Right? There's people out there that don't want to get involved in going to all these different channels and managing their social media. So for more analog work, there would be things like car washes. People don't like washing their cars. These would be things like the trades, like plumbing, auto mechanics, things that people hate to do. They could probably learn how to do it themselves, but it's time. It could be dirty. It could be a time suck for them, so they'd rather just pay somebody else to do it. Find those tasks that people hate to do and do it for them. You can charge them for it. They will pay you. It'll be well. The second business idea that would never fail is that if you could create a product that eliminates the task that people hate to do. Now, this is a little bit harder because there's the part where you have to create the product, but something you can look at kind of on the simple terms is something like, the diet industry. That's the reason why it's a billion-dollar industry, because people don't want to go to the gym, they don't want to work out, and they don't want to diet. So what happens is you create all these pills or injections or liquids or drinks that claim that it's going to help them lose weight because they don't want to put forth the effort to do it. So that is one example of finding a product that's going to eliminate the task that people don't want to do and then selling it. So something that's a little bit more feasible for you and I as a small business owner, freelancer, side hustler, create templates for people. There's people that I know that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars just making dashboards and templates with Notion, and there's other things out there that will help people eliminate tasks that they don't want to do because the templates are going to do it for them, or find ways that they can automate the tasks. And you can do that with a lot of these no-code, low-code, I'm having trouble saying it, no-code, low-code type of tools. So if you can learn how to automate tasks for people and you can do that for them so they don't have to do it, they will pay you handsomely to eliminate those tasks. And if you look on the analog type of thing, people don't like to vacuum and do physical type of labor. So AI is out there with robots. You'll find robot vacuums that will go and eliminate people having to vacuum their floors. People don't have to cook anymore because there's meal kits and prep meals that can be delivered to them. So eliminate the task, find a product that will do that for them and sell it. The third business idea that would never fail is that if you could find a way to make these tasks easier for people and then show them how to do it. A perfect example of that is YouTube and content creators. There's a bunch of content creators that are making content, and one of the most popular forms of content are how-to videos. You could make videos to show people how to do certain things, whether it's prompt engineering for AI or low-code tools or automating or accounting or cooking or recipes, all these types of things. You can make videos about it, and if it's not a video, you can make courses and even ebooks. So these are some great opportunities for you to capitalize on making things easier for people, teaching them how to do it so that they don't have to go through the hard work of doing all the research and putting things together for themselves. All right, so that's going to be a wrap for the video today. Hopefully you were able to learn something. Hopefully I got your wheels turning a little bit about what type of skills you want to hop on so you can solve some problems or relieve the pain of some people out there. If you're looking for other ideas on how to upskill and improve your life and your business, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Plenty of resources out there that are available. I love to share those with you. And if you want to roll with me a little bit deeper and know my personal journey here about all of my projects that I'm working on, my successes and my failures, I do have a newsletter that I'm looking to deliver to you on a weekly basis. It's called Beyond the Selfie. I'll have the link in the description. You can sign up for that. It's totally free. So no sweat off of your back. I'm your boy Paul. It's been a pleasure to share my journey with you. Hopefully you'll be able to share your journey with me, and I look forward to seeing you there. Take care, guys.